morning, everyone. My name is Munis Hassan of class 11B, roll number 37. Today, I am going to present a flip teaching on topic practical problems based on sets. So, let's start. Formula for practical problems on two sets. Let A and B be finite sets such that A intersection B is phi, then number of elements in A union B is equal to number of elements in A plus number of elements in B. When A intersection B is not equal to phi, then number of elements in A union B is equal to number of elements in A plus number of elements in B minus number of elements in A intersection B. Since A minus B, A intersection B, B minus A are disjoint sets and their union is also A union B, therefore, number of elements in A union B is equal to number of elements in A minus B plus number of elements in B minus A plus number of elements in A intersection B, which gives number of elements in A plus number of elements in B minus number of elements in A intersection B, which proves the above result. In a school, let's take an example. In a school, there are 20 teachers who teach mathematics or physics. Of these, 12 teach mathematics and 4 teach both physics and mathematics. Now we have to find out how many teachers teach physics. So let us suppose that M denotes the set of teachers who teach mathematics and P denotes the set of teachers who teach physics. We therefore have number of elements in M union P is equal to 20 and number of elements in M is equal to 12 and number of elements in M intersection P is 4. Using the result, number of elements in M union P is equal to number of elements in M plus number of elements in P minus number of elements in M intersection B. We get number of elements in P is equal to 12. Hence, 12 teachers teach physics. Now, formula for practical problems on three sets. Let A, B, and C be three sets which are non-disjoint sets. You can see the image of these three sets using the Venn diagram given, and this is the derivation of three sets, and we get number of elements in A union B union C is equal to number of elements in A plus number of elements in B plus number of elements in C minus number of elements in A intersection B minus number of elements in B intersection C minus number of elements in A intersection C plus number of elements in A intersection B intersection C. This formula is used to calculate the things of three sets. This is one example related to problems based on three sets. A college awarded 38 medals in football, 15 in basketball, and 20 in cricket. If these medals went to a total of 58 men and only 3 men got medals in all the three sports, how many received medals in exactly two of the three sports? Now let F, B, and C denote the set of men who receive medal in football, basketball, and cricket, respectively. Then number of elements in F is 38, number of elements of B is 15, and number of elements in C is 20. And number of elements in F union B union C is given 58, and number of elements in F intersection B intersection C is given 3. Now using the formula of three sets, we get number of elements in F intersection C, F intersection B plus number of elements in F intersection C plus number of elements in B intersection C is 18. Here A denotes the number of men who got medal in football and basketball only. B denotes the number of men who got medal in football and cricket only. And C denotes the number of men who got medals in basketball and cricket only. And D denotes the number of men who got medal in all the three. Thus D is equal to 3, which is given in the question. And then A plus B plus A plus B plus D plus B plus C plus D is equal to 18. Therefore, A plus B plus C is equal to 9, which is the number of people who got medals in exactly two sports. This is our answer. Thank you.